to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we're going to continue the topic called TCP data transfer with the piggybacking and what is the rule and so on. Previous session I explained about the data transfer, how the TCP can happen between the client and server with the help of three-way handshaking protocol. When you have doubt, please kindly check the video sequence on playlist. And this is tutorial definitely helpful for whoever want to prepare the exams like gate uses and so on. This is our session today. Here, TCP means what? It always provides the duplex mode support. That means client and server can communicate at a time and transfer the data at time. Let's say, example, I could transfer the data of 10 MB. So what will happen is, and the first time from the client what happened? Go and request server. Let's say the sequence number is 21. Setting acknowledgement flag is equal to 1 and acknowledgement number is equal to 71. Setting like that. Then what will happen? Server will generate based on the data. This may be 71, 81, whatever there. It will generate the sequence number 71. Acknowledgement is equal to 1 and the acknowledgement number is equal to 31 and so on. Sending like that. Now, our question is, we will go for piggybacking and what is in it? Because whenever we want to do the data transfer correctly, so we need support of piggybacking. Moreover, here data plus acknowledgement sending the separately and together. Remember, data in me separate packet, acknowledgement is separate packet. Remember, so data plus acknowledgement sending from client to server and server to client happen like that. This is called piggybacking. So we need means to reduce the network traffic. Piggybacking is one of the good concept. We are going means to reduce the network traffic. We need support of piggybacking. Piggybacking means data and data and acknowledgement sent together. Now next is to reduce the network traffic, and next is what? Pure acknowledgement. What is the need of pure acknowledgement? That means before going to pure acknowledgement, in the real-time example, I want to third party fund transfer through banking. I can use a mode like app like Paytm and so on. What happens is there will be a OTP is there. At last I have to get the acknowledgement with the reference ID that is successfully fund transfer like that. So here when you do data transfer with the piggybacking or something, what will happen? There will be a chance of time delay to reduce the time delay and make data sending transferred from client to server and server to client. In Paka means we need support of the pure acknowledgement concept. Here remember, when you go for pure acknowledgement concept, it won't use the sequence number. The formatted sequence number will be there. Let's assume that now we're using pure acknowledgement sequence equal 31, acknowledgement initialized flag is equal to 1, and after that it generate the acknowledgement number 81 like that based on the data transfer. So client to server and server to side. Here what will happen is after some time the data will be transferred completely. After the data sent from the client to server and server to client, it happen completely. That is the use of pure acknowledgement. That's a moreover reduce the time. So within some particular time, after particular time, it will be agreed the data transfer done successfully with the reference with acknowledgement. That is a concept we can understand here. Therefore, TCP connection oriented concept. Protocol. Moreover, it supports the duplex mode. So apart from this, we can discuss later about urgent based on the TCP pattern. What is urgent pointer and so on and so on. This is about the client server. When I go for complete exam, they have a chance about piggybacking, concept of piggybacking, and also pure acknowledgement. Okay, any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share this. Thank you.